Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I am in Hawaii. Oh, wow. We actually just got off the airplane and got laid. Ooh, that sounds bad. We just got off the airplane and got lays. Right now we're at this rental car place and it's about to take forever to get a rental car. But the good thing is we're in Hawaii, the weather's nice. We're going snorkeling, surfing, and doing so much stuff, and I got a GoPro and I'm just gonna take y'all along with me, and I'm so happy. See ya when something exciting happens or when we get to the hotel. Sorry if there's a buzzing noise, that's something, I really don't know what it is. But yeah.
Tacos, doesn't that look good?
Yep. How we doing? How's the Hawaiian vibe? Alright, how's Hawaii? How's the vibe?
Awesome.
Alright, I'll take that. Alright, anyway, we just got our rental car, which normally I hate being in the middle and I always get shoved in the middle, but this isn't bad, I have to say. And it's just so pretty.
That's why she's gonna sit in the middle the entire trip, because it's not that bad.
No, I'm not. This is documented on video. I am not sitting in the middle of this whole entire trip.
Good view, right?
Yeah, I get a good view. How about I call the middle the whole trip?
Oh, thank God.
Yeah. So we can't check into our hotel until 4, right?
We're going to a taco place.
So we're going to a taco place to eat. So I'll show you guys what we get. I purchased a GoPro before this trip so that when we go surfing and snorkeling and all this stuff, I will have a GoPro. So we're going to be doing a lot of fun stuff this week, I hope. I learned a few words already. So aloha is hello and goodbye, obviously. Mahalo is thank you. And then shaka is hang loose. Shaka. I'm going to take a picture of me like surfing.
Haole is a non-native Hawaii.
Or howlies. Howlies. Shaka. Alright, well, I'll see you guys when we eat. So, yeah, bye.
Another Hawaiian flower sticker. And
these views are gorgeous.
Laughed at myself.
I'm just in the middle getting the best of both worlds. Everybody's surfers!
Your arm hair is jumping against me.
It's long, isn't it? Our food just came. We're eating at this fish taco place. It's really cute. And I got a taco, so yeah. Out here, it's a little windy out here in Hawaii. The palm trees are swaying. Luke just got blown off the curb. It's all good. We're checking into our hotel. There's no bird here. That's some water slide that Luke was too scared to go on, but he's not scared this time. He's a teenager now, changed man. Oh, and that's the beach right there. But yeah, I remember a lot of this. Like, it looks nicer now. They must have enhanced their features because I don't remember these things being there. No, they were. Oh, just kidding. See, there's a waterfall right there, and then here's the beach. And then you go over the bridge. There's like a bridge, and then there's a slide. Like, you come out right there. I'm so excited to just get in the pool and swim. I'll see y'all when we get up in our room. This is so pretty. I can't. Yeah, I got it. Whoa! Oh my gosh, this is awesome. Hello, Hawaii. What if I just like dropped my camera? That'd be awesome. Just kidding, that'd be awful. I'm wearing a one-piece today because I wanted to. We're gonna go down to the pool. I'm pretty sure I'll take my GoPro. I cannot get over this view. Dinner because we had a pretty late lunch or whatever, but I think we're gonna get snacks because we get complimentary snacks. So if we do, I'll check back with you guys, but yeah.